Hello everyone, in this occasion I would like to review or give you feedback for the reading instructional design from Sintia Dewi. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Astri with the student number is 1912021. So, for you Cynthia, I think your reading instructional design is great and you make it clearly. And let me starting to review this reading instructional design. Okay, let me see on the title. Improving students' reading ability by using short stories. The title such an interesting one because short story usually contains various interesting topics. But I have a suggestion. It would be better if each first letter of all word on the title is capitalized except the word by. I think it is better. Next, let's we move to the introduction. I think your introduction is already good, but on the first sentence, I think the grammar would be better if you type. In this activity, the teacher will give a short story that students like the most to read. To be in this activity, the teacher will give a short story uh, that students mostly like. I mean like that. Next, target language is English. Yes, of course. And there are fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, intonation, understanding, grammar, and vocabulary as target languages, skills, and areas. I think your target language is already complete. For the learner level, I think you should choose only one option, and I think it matches for senior high school because maybe for the junior high school students, teacher can use one paragraph or more to be analyzed. For the for the activity aims, the time preparation and technical requirements and research, I think it's already great and appropriate. So I have no comment for this. Okay, let's take a look for the what is it procedure in the learning activity. I like the way you invite students to pray before starting the class, and then you ask students condition and giving motivation before learning is very good way for teacher to build a good communication or good relationship between teacher and students. I also like the way you arrange this procedure kindly, such as give students opportunities to ask the material that they don't understand yet, giving feedback for they who are active in your class. Yes, it makes students more confident to show their ability or participation. But I have a suggestion for you. Maybe you can send the short story before you start the virtual meeting so that you have not to wait them to join the Google Meet to read. I mean, maybe you can send a short story before you start the virtual meeting so that you have not to wait them in the room meet to read the story you have given. And after that, you can start the meeting as from the first point. Next, for the option and suggestion, it's already good, but I think maybe you can add option and suggestions that teacher can use a fun topic or a fun short story. Next, in the justification. Alright. In the justification, I have no comment because I think it's already great and you explain that so clearly. Next, in the references, okay, in the references you already type the reference by the references based on APA style. Okay, I think that's all about my review or feedback to Cynthia's reading instructional design. As I said before, this plan is already made greatly, and Cynthia just needs to revision. I mean to do several revisions. For you, Cynthia, I hope you can accept and understand what my opinion for your reading instructional design. So happy doing revision. Thanks for watching everyone, and